Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. My name is Yemi and you're welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I do when I install a lace frontal wig on myself. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner, if you're always overwhelmed, you always feel the need to call a hairstylist. Make sure to keep on watching. I'm going to start with prepping my natural hair. As you can see, I've got a buzz cut going on. If your hair is longer than mine, make sure to go ahead and cornrow your hair. You need cornrows that go straight back. You want to make sure that your cornrows are very neat, they are flat, and they are clean, because when your hair is not clean, it's very impossible to get anything to adhere to your skin. Right here, I'm using Ebin holding spray. It's a very strong holding spray. But if you don't have this, you can use the got to be holding spray as well, or you can use gel, anything that holds your hair to the back. Just make sure you make use of whatever you have in your house already for this step. After that, I'm using a cleansing water to get rid of all the excess spray on my skin. You can use water, you can use any makeup remover that you might have laying around. After that, this is a perfect time for you to try on your wig. If you need to cut your lace, if you need to check the sizing, if you need to adjust anything, this is the time that you want to do that. So basically, make sure you put it on and check the ear tabs, check the hairline, check if the wig is not too forward or too backward, because whatever you put the wig right now is where it's going to be. So you want to wear this wig as if you're wearing it as a glueless. So put it on, check everywhere, check the lace, check the middle pattern if it's sitting properly. If your side part is sitting properly, you want to do that now. So once you have your wig on, try not to move your wig this time. You just want to gently peel off the hairline to the back, just like what I'm doing in the video. As you can see, I'm pulling it to the back and I'm not moving the wig left or right. I'm not being aggressive because I don't want the wig to move. Remember that we've set the wig where we want it to be. This is going to be easier for you if you're a beginner, and sometimes if you don't position the wig properly, you end up putting the wig maybe way too much behind the glue, or way too over the glue, or maybe you put the wig too low than where you want it to be, or maybe you put the wig too backwards and you reveal too much forehead. So this method will make sure that you have your wig exactly where you need to be. I went in with a skin protector, and then once that dries, I'm going to go in with my false glue. I'm using the Bold Old Extreme Glue for this one. Once the application is done, you can go in with your middle finger to just spread it around. Make sure that you don't have any clump of glue in any section of your forehead. Make sure that everywhere is, you have even layer. And don't worry about where you want to apply your glue at this point. The only thing you need to worry about at this point is avoiding your natural hair. Just follow your natural hairline. Don't worry about where the wig is going to sit yet. Just apply the glue where you don't have hair, basically on your skin. And once you do a very good job of spreading it around, make sure that it's clear, and then go in with your second layer. and do the same thing. Now, if you want an old that can last you for a week or two, you can do more than 2 layers. But honestly, I wouldn't recommend that if you're not a professional stylist. If you want an install that's gonna last you for a week, 2 or 3 weeks, make sure to get an experienced stylist to help you with that. When I do the installs on myself, I only do 2 layers. Just because I always take it off with my makeup at the end of the day. You don't need more than 2 layers. 3 at most. Maybe you want to keep it for 2 days. After the second layer is dry, as you can see, I'm not pulling the wig again. I'm just basically lifting the wig where it was and just laying it right on the glue. Don't worry about the hairline now. We just want to secure the wig first. If the hairline is, is sticking to the glue, that's fine. But don't try to pull the wig forward or backward to accommodate the glue. That's not what you need to do at this point. Just lay the wig down like that. After this step, your wig should be intact. Your wig should be pretty much stuck to your head. For the hairline, you can apply a little bit on a surface and try to avoid applying it on your skin, because the way this product is designed, once it hits your skin, it starts to process. Put it on any plastic you have laying around. Then you want to pick up some products with the end of a tail comb or the end of something flat and pointy, and gently lift the lace and apply it where you think the lace is going to lay down. Now, you want to be very careful with this. You want to make sure that whenever you do apply the glue, you're not applying it behind where the lace will sit, and you are not applying it too much ahead of the where the lace will sit. I really hope I'm making sense. So that when you do apply the lace, you don't have extra glue sitting on your forehead, and you can make sure that all the lace is sticking to your skin and you don't have like loose lace on your forehead. Go ahead and do this across your hairline. Try to lift the lace and check where there are bubbles or where the lace is pretty much not sticking down. And make sure to check your ear tabs. Make sure that you have glue at the edge of your lace and you don't have any loose lace sticking up. After this step, put your hand dryer on a cool setting and dry it for 3 to 5 minutes. For the lace melt, I like to apply it in a little cup like that and use a makeup brush to gently push the products on the hairline. Now your wig is intact and you just want to basically melt the lace into our skin. It makes the lace frontal look more realistic. Once that is done, you can go in with your blow dryer again on cool setting. Make sure that your wig is dry, airline is dry, the glue is dry before you go in with a melting band. Apply the melting band and go ahead and do whatever you want to do. If you want to style your wig, if you want to do your makeup, and make sure to always avoid makeup on the lace when you apply your makeup. I had the band in for about an hour while I do my makeup, and this is the final result, guys. Well done. I really hope that you understand. I try to make this video as easy and as beginner friendly as I can. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And to further melt the hairline and make it even realistic, I went in with a wax stick, and you're gonna need a hot comb for this step. Try to avoid overusing wax stick on your wig. You really don't need much because the wax stick can be very greasy. And that's it. If you follow the steps to a T, your final result should look something like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that next time you want to install your lace frontal wig, you can use this video and you can do it yourself. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more wig tips and tutorials just like this one, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.